how to delete a custom emoji that you have on Slack. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll basically show you exactly how to do so very easily from the browser or app. It doesn't really make a difference. It's going to be exactly the same way. So obviously this is for those who uploaded a custom emoji to their Slack workspace and now they're trying to remove it because they don't want it to be there anymore. So in that case, you just want to go ahead and open up the workspace that you have the emoji in. In my case, it's example workspace and launch Slack. Now this should open up the app for you, but I'm just going to click on use Slack in your browser because I'm just going to use it on the browser this time. So once the workspace actually opens up, we will need to go ahead and click on the name of the workspace, which should be on the top left right over here. So click on the name of the workspace and then just go to tools and settings. Once you see tools and settings, you click on the first one, which is customize workspace. Click on that. It's going to take us to a new page here where we have emoji, Slack bot, workspace icon, statuses, and so on. But the one that we want is obviously an emoji. So here we can feel free to add our emoji and also remove them. So let's just go ahead and scroll down. And in here, you should find the list of all the different emojis that you have. In my case, I don't really have any yet, but for you, if you do have one, you can just go and click on the three dots right next to it and click on remove, and you should be good to go. It should be removed from your Slack. In fact, I'm actually going to go ahead and add a custom emoji real quick, and I will show you how to remove it. So add custom emoji, upload, and I'm just going to be using this one as an example. Click on save. And now we should have our emoji good to go, and we can feel free to use it in our text and basically in Slack. And I'm just going to demonstrate that it is actually in here. So we can just go to Slack emojis and we will find it right over here. So now again, just to remove it and show you exactly how it works, again, click on example workspace or the name of the workspace that you're using, tools and settings, customize workspace, emoji, and then you should find, if you scroll down a little bit, one custom emoji, and you will have this X right next to it. Click on it and click on delete emoji, and it is pretty much gone. So yeah, no one can use it now. And pretty much, you don't have that emoji, custom emoji anymore for your Slack. Now it may show right now because it did not load, but it actually does not show anymore. But yeah, this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.